Hello, this video is going to go over week 2 and everything that is going to be due, just kind of the order and help you understand what we are doing for the week. So you'll see in assignments once you've logged in, hopefully you're already here because that's where the video link is. Week 2, we have an overview of where am I giving, and you'll need to read Where Am I Giving, Part 1, pages XIII, that's 13, through 96. So you need to read the introduction, and there's like 10 chapters in the first part. They're all fairly short. In addition, there's a lot of exercises on selecting a topic. Discussion boards, we have 3 of them. Where am I giving introduction, why we're giving, and then topic responses. And then you'll have a summary of Where Am I Giving, Part 1, due by Saturday night, and then a journal entry. The journal entry will be about 250 words. So it looks like there's a lot. It's not a ton of things, I hope, but there are a lot of things to look at. So we have a video response to discussion 1. There'll be a video response to discussion 2. Those are going to be listed right here in week 1 responses and feedback, just to try to condense where everything is in this thing. In addition, I've made a video introduction of Where Am I Giving, which is right here, and there's some other things in there regarding the guidelines for the book review, just to help you out. And this will be the content in there will be kind of traveling along with us as we go through the book. There's a discussion board for discussion 4, Where Am I Giving? That's going to be due on Wednesday. I know you won't be complete with it, and that's okay. You don't have to finish the discussion board. That's what I say right in here. I'm just looking at your impressions. So what are you thinking about this, and what are the ideas? Because it's important to jot down your impressions before you read something, because we need to reflect back on that, because that can contribute to your book review. Other things. We have a response to part 1, that's discussion 5, on why we're giving. That is just down here, and I'm sorry if this is making you sick going back and forth, but why are we giving? So just looking at some basic questions on how do we start to think about this book. So it's not just a reaction to content, but the overall presentation of the book, from the topic to how the author speaks to the audience to the layout, all sorts of things. These are going to be good for you to take notes on as part of your book review. A book review isn't just like a book report where you're going to say this is what happened in the book. Instead, it's here's how the book presents itself. Here's what it says it's trying to do. Here's what it actually does. And then we have some topic selection stuff. So I have a folder here that's going to take us to some videos and a topic presentation worksheet. I have a sample completed worksheet and the topic selection worksheet. You can download this. You don't have to give it to me. You're welcome to send it to me, and I'll make a little note about that in the week 2 assignments as well. So I want you to start thinking about this topic. I'm not asking you to be locked into it now. We have to have a lot of feedback. And then we have a summary of part 1. The summary is a good practice for you for your book review, because when your book review is due in 3-4 weeks time, you might not remember part 1 that much. So you'll have it summarized, and you can incorporate this into your book review. I do have some lessons on reading and summarizing. Then finally, we have a journal 1, a view from the outside. This is a journal assignment. It's just a writing exercise to get you thinking about your topic. That's going to be due on Saturday as well. You can complete this anytime. I just have it done at the end because I would assume we'd be doing some reading. And then we'll have a discussion board. I don't have it up yet, but read and respond to 5 discussions. And so I want you to post things about your topic, so that'll be discussion 6. Just some basic topics and why they matter to you. And then you'll need to read through your classmates, and that'll be part of week 3. But I'll give you time to do it. But read through and comment, provide some feedback to the topics, and I'll have that set up for you shortly. So that's kind of what we're doing. You'll see this video just right down here, and I hope this is helpful. As always, please contact me if you have questions.